Srisvasti, Ambassador and Resident Representative to the IAA of Thailand. Please, you have the floor, Madam.
Madam President, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I would like to express my sincere congratulations on your assumption as the Vice President of the conference, and also through you to the President. With your guidance and able leadership, I am certain that the conference will conclude with a successful outcome. Please rest assured of my delegation's full support. I wish also to express my gratitude to His Excellency Mr. Assadine Farhan of the Kingdom of Morocco, the President of the GC64, as well as the Director General and the Secretariat for their efforts and hard work over the year. Thailand welcomes St. Kitts and Nevis as a new member of the agency. Madam President, this past year, international community has to confront with different challenges, not only those revolving around COVID-19, but also socio-political uncertainties that put multilateralism and diplomacy to test. Against this backdrop, the IAEA remains strong in supporting international peace and security and in carrying out its mandates to promote peaceful uses of nuclear energy with commitment and professionalism. Thailand attaches importance to the agency's central role in bridging development needs of member states through the uses of nuclear science and technology. The nuclear science and technology and its application contribute significantly to the sustainable development and the enhancement of human welfare and livelihood. The assistance provided to member states in the case of COVID-19 pandemic, and as well as the early response to such pandemic with the initiative on Zodiac, demonstrate the continued relevance of the agency's work on peaceful uses. The NUTEC Plastic is also another initiative that responds to the pressing global environment degradation with nuclear solution on plastic pollution, a direct threat to sustainable development. The agency's technical cooperation is therefore very important for member states to build their needed capacity and expertise, as well as provide increased access to nuclear science and technology for peaceful uses in safe and secure manner. The Technical Cooperation Program is an essential mechanism in delivery of the agency technical mandates and reaching out to member states on the nuclear peaceful uses agenda. We will continue to promote TC program at national and regional levels and join others in efforts to raise public awareness of the peaceful uses of nuclear energy. As the chair of this year's Regional Cooperative Agreement, or RCA, Thailand highly appreciates the IAEA's contributions in enhancing the region's socio-economic development through various innovative cooperation. Moreover, Thailand is of the view that upon its endorsement of the ASEAN Protocol for Preparedness and Response to a Nuclear or Radiological Emergency will considerably improve the region's radiation safety, which will further reaffirm the significance of IAEA ASEAN practical arrangements. Madam President, Thailand reaffirmed its commitment to the NPT and underscores the agency's central role in strengthening the global nuclear non-proliferation regime, promoting peaceful uses and discharging its safeguard mandates under the NPT through the verification and monitoring activities. Thailand stands ready to engage meaningfully at the NPT Review Conference to achieve concrete outcomes in all three pillars. The evolving situation in the non-proliferation context are of serious concerns. Thailand reiterates the importance of the JCPOA and the urgent need for its preservation. We encourage all parties to exert their full efforts to revitalize the JCPOA and look forward to the earliest resumption of the Vienna's negotiation. On DPRK, Thailand appreciates the agency's continued efforts in monitoring the development of the DPRK's nuclear program and in maintaining its readiness to resume its verification mandates once the diplomatic and political solutions are reached. Thailand calls upon DPRK to comply fully with relevant UNSC resolutions and international obligations. We also encourage all parties to continue the necessary dialogue, which is an essential pathway towards peace and stability and a denuclearized Korean Peninsula. The early entry into force of the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons, TPNW, in January this year is an important milestone in the pursuit of a world free of nuclear weapons. The treaty was created to advance nuclear non-proliferation and disarmament. Both the TPNW and the NPT would benefit from the agency's constructive involvement as they all share the same aspiration, a world free of nuclear weapons. Thailand looks forward to its first meeting of state parties to be held here in Vienna in March next year. Madam President, in closing, Thailand wishes to reaffirm its steadfast commitment to the obligations under the IAEA statute as well as related international instruments on nuclear safeguards and safety. We are determined to support the rule-based agency in its deliberations and stand ready to cooperate constructively with the agency and member states. I thank you.
I thank the distinguished delegate of Thailand, and now I invite Mr. Abdullah Al-Obaidi